So I'm here on a shoot with Loxbox. They're launching some new products, which is so exciting, and I've got one of the pieces in now. I'm Katherine Ellen, and if you followed me on Instagram for a while, you know how much I love hair extensions, so I'm super excited to show you this new product from Loxbox. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay the pieces out. One thing that's really unique about this brand is that it comes with 10 pieces, and they're really thick from top to bottom, which I love. So, because I've got quite a variety of different tones in my hair, so after I've had it dyed, this is going to work perfectly with my hair colour. It's going to look really nice once I've got updos, if I've got down dos, plaits, all that kind of stuff. It's going to look really nice. So the first thing I need to do is, once I've laid it all out, I'm going to section my hair to put in the clip-ins. So I'm going to start at the bottom of my hair. I usually use something like this just to section it so it's a nice straight line. So once I've sectioned my hair, I'm just going to clip it out of the way. As you can see, I'm going to pop it just along this back line. So I usually start with the shorter one, the 2 clips first, because I have really fine hair, so it's really important that I use the short ones so they don't overlap over my ears. So first thing I'm going to do is just back comb. It's just so they're nice and secure when you put them in, so it's really important to back comb it. So I'm going to take a 2-piece. And as you can see, with my natural hair and the extensions, it matches perfectly, which is so important. Oh, right. So then I'm going to grab another 2-piece and on this side, back comb it again. So as you can see, it's nice and secure, it's not coming out, so that's good. Then I'm going to section the next bit. So I'm just going to carry on doing this row by row. The next one I'm going to do is with actually I'm going to do it with a 4-piece, I think. I'm going to do it right round the back. I would say it's important to do it from the middle out, because where obviously you're using, this is like obviously the widest part of your head, I guess. So you want to make sure that you're using the bits that are going to be able to be covered the most with your natural hair. And of course with my very fine hair, I'm going to use 2 lots of 2. So I'm just going to put in, the next one is the 4 clips. So that is now in, and that is not going anywhere. So next I'm going to use 2 lots of the 3, and I'm going to put them further to the front just for a filler look around the front. So for the first look that I'm going to do, because I'm going to be doing all of it's going to be down, I mainly put the clips nearer the front, as long as they're hidden by my natural hair, as you know, we want it to look as full as possible. And as you can tell by my natural hair, I like to have big voluminous hair, especially when I'm going out. So I'm just going to section the side, clip that out of the way. Cool. And then again, back comb. And so as you can see, by me putting it nearer the front, it also hides all these like wispy natural bits. As you can see, the blend's really starting to come through, and we've still got several other pieces to use. So now I'm going to do the other side. So also with this particular hairpiece set, you also get 10 pieces, which is a lot of hair. And for someone who's used hair extensions for so many years, it's hard to come across a brand that will give you that many. So again, it's going to give me a fuller look, especially with my hair. So you want to make the section line as clean as you can. So it's just a lot easier to manage blending it all in. As the next thing I'm going to do is going to do the last 4 piece, as I'm now getting to the top of my hairline. So this is going to cover all the hair. So it's really important to section as clean line as you possibly can, as it makes things easier to blend all your hair in with your natural hair. So the last big piece I'm going to use is another 4 piece. The clips are so easy to use as well, and that you've not got to feel like you've got to push it against your head, which is nice. So you're not forcing it upon your hair. There we go. So as you can see, it's starting to really come together. And now, because I've got shorter bits at the top here, it also comes with the 1 pieces as well. So I'm going to put those nearer the front. It's also going to brighten up around the front, and it's also just going to blend it all in with my shorter bits as well. So I'm just going to section around the side. So if we're placing them back from the hairline, it's going to also mean that it's not going to be on show. We don't want the clips to be showing. So if we place it slightly further back, then this part of my hair is going to cover that. So I'm going to use another one just slightly further back. So as you can see, that's covering there. Just like that. And then we'll do the other side. Same again. Last piece. And then you're just going to part your hair. There we go. So then I'm just going to brush through my hair. And then you want to hold the hair whilst you're brushing it, so you don't... Yeah, and be really kind to the hair. Obviously, it's nice and fresh as well, so it's really, really silky smooth. Oh, I just can't get over the blend as well. That's perfect on my natural hair. And I'm also going to show you not only how easy they are to put in, but also how easy they are to style, as it's 100% human hair, so they're going to curl exactly like my natural hair would. It's all going to blend really well.